First open Start and type CMD. Right-click and select Run as Administration. Type the following command and press Enter. Type this command and press Enter. Type this command and press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter. Restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Setting. Right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, and click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS address. In preferred DNS type 1111. In alternate DNS type 1001. Press OK. Now close the windows and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start menu and click on Setting. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Network Reset. Click Reset now. Now restart. Press Yes now your problem should be fixed.